All right, so we are continuing along with rounding 3-digit numbers, and this is level 4 on Number Funnel's highest place. All right, so the continuation of this is now we are typing in the number that we are rounding to. So rounding to the nearest 10. Same thing, we look at the number in the tens place. I see there's a 9 there. And I'm going to ask myself, does this number round up to 100 or down to 90? I know that 98 is a lot closer to 100, and the number in the ones place confirms that. So I'm going to put in 100. So same thing as before, except now, instead of dragging the little thing along the number line, it's going to do it for you after you've typed in where it should round down or up to. So we'll do another example here. We have rounding to the nearest 10 with 75. So same thing, do we round down to 70 or up to 80? Remember, we look at the number in the tens place. I see there's a 7 there. Now I look at the number after it. In this case, that's the ones place. Remember, 5 is that tricky number that 5 and higher, we're going to round up. Because 75 is directly between 70 and 80, so that's one of our rules that we just have to memorize. So 75 is going to round up to 80. So there's 8 tens and 0 ones in the number 80. So just like I said before, it's going to take itself over to the number line, and little push is because 75 is that one right in the middle. So rounding 92 to the nearest 10. Same strategy. Look at the number in the tens place, we have a 9. The number in the ones place is a 2. So it tells us that we are going to round down to 90. All right. Same thing. Remember, you can always visualize the number line or look at the number line in your classroom. And we'll do one more example. Rounding to the nearest 10 with 13. Look at that number in the tens place, we have a 1. All right, so if I have a 1 here, look at the number in the ones place, it's a 3. I know then that I need to round down to 10. And when I think about where it is on the number line, I know that 13 is going to be a lot closer to 10 than it is to 20. And now I can see that as it goes on to the number line here in the program. So super awesome job. If you need more help, just ask.